Setting alarm on Android sometimes can be challenging, but in this video, I will walk you through on how you can do that. First, swipe up on your home screen, alright? And then access the alarm app or clock app. So here, let me type clock, okay? Because I will set that through clock, okay? You can see the clock app has shown up, so I will tap on it for it to open. So follow along from your own end, okay? So this, if you look at the bottom part, you will see alarm, all right? So that means I'm landed on the alarm tab, all right, at the bottom left. You can see that. So if maybe you have placed some word clock or timer or stopwatch, please tap on this alarm, all right, at the bottom left. The position may be different from your own phone, all right? So once you're here, the next step you need to take is to tap on the plus sign at the top right, the plus sign there. Okay, so this provides me with some options for me to set the alarm. Okay, you can see the settings showing up. So first, I may need to set the time. All right, so let me say this alarm, I want it by 10 a.m. So push up until the time you want is already selected in black. All right, so I can push this down so that it will be 10:00 a.m. is selected already. If I want p.m., I'll push up. If I want a.m., I'll push down. All right, so this is okay. So you can see repeat once. Let it repeat once. Tap on that side, okay, on that section. And the day I want to say this is on Sunday. Sorry, Saturday. This coming Saturday. That's when I want to set it. Okay, so let me go back. What I did before, so that you see what I did. Under this repeat, you see once is selected. In repeat, once is selected, tap on that arrow pointing right. That will allow you to select the day you want the alarm to ring. So I want this alarm to ring on Saturday. So I will tap on this Saturday. All right, so tap on the day you want it to ring. If you want all days, you tap on all these check boxes so that all days, once it's 10 a.m., it will start ringing. Okay, irrespective of the date. Once it's that day, it will start ringing. Then after that, tap on done button. Okay, so the next here is the alarm sound. Rise slowly is okay for me. If you want something different, tap there and select something different. But I will tap on the arrow that points back to get to where I was before. I'm okay. If you want to add labels, you click on add labels. Snooze, if you want, snooze is 10 minutes. That means if it rings and you did not wake up, or you are not close to your phone, after 10 minutes it will ring again. That's what snooze does. All right, vibrate while ringing is okay for me. So with this, I have set this alarm. The next step I need to take is to tap on the tick icon at the top right for this to be saved. You can see this have been saved and it's telling me alarm will ring in 2 days, okay? Because today is Thursday. All right, so by 10 a.m. on Saturday, it's gonna ring in 2 days. And with this, you're done with your setting of your alarm on an Android, so you can exit the page.